Ever pause mid-sentence wondering if a group is or are? Yeah, let's dive into this puzzle.
This is a super common grammar headache. So, what do you think is the right answer here?
And hey, you're not alone. Even native speakers get tangled up in this one. Okay, the secret is finding the real subject. What's the verb actually talking about? See, that of students part, it's just a distraction. The true subject is group, and that's singular. Words like team, family, or committee, these are called collective nouns, and they're the troublemakers here. But here's where it gets tricky. Does the group always act as one single thing? The team is celebrating. They're acting as one unit, so is makes perfect sense. But here, the team are packing their bags. Now they're individuals, so are totally works. This idea is called notional agreement. It's all about the intended meaning of the noun. And to make it even more fun, this all changes depending on where you live. Yep, we're talking about American versus British English. This is where a lot of the confusion comes from. Basically, American English almost always uses the singular. British English, much more flexible, often using plural. So why does this matter so much? Because this little choice completely changes the meaning. Let's check out an example of how picking the wrong verb can get, well, weird. If the committee is arguing, it sounds like one thing arguing with itself. A little strange, right? But if the committee are arguing, you get it. The members are disagreeing with each other. The key is to match the verb to your intended meaning for super clear communication. So find the true subject, decide if it's a unit or individuals, and think about your audience. It really makes you think, if this rule can bend for meaning, what other rules aren't so solid?